Hello, my dear student. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to discuss MCQ for ECEE subject. So, let's start. Question number 1. How many earth connections are required for the motor frame as per the IE Rule 61? तो हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? ऑप्शन नंबर बी, 2 separates and distinct. ऑप्शन नंबर बी. Now, question number 2. How is the blast resistance connected with the shock? तो हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? सीरीज कनेक्शन में लगता है, यानी हमारा आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर बी. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Which among these states are to be conducted on wiring installation? तो हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? ऑप्शन नंबर डी, ऑल ऑफ द अबव. Now question number 4. If the major insulation's value is more than unity, then what is the value? What value should be taken as the maximum working value? तो हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? ऑप्शन नंबर बी, 1 मेगा ओम. Question number 5. What is the amount of charcoal and salt needed for GI pipe earthing? तो हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? Charcoal 10 kg and salt 10 kg. Option number C. Now question number 6. Which among these tests is not a routine test performed on the circuit breaker? तो हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? ऑप्शन नंबर डी, मैकेनिकल एंड्योरेंस टेस्ट. Now question number 7. Which among these is the main requirement of insulating material? Okay, so इधर ऑप्शंस दिया हुआ है. ऑप्शन नंबर फर्स्ट वन क्या है? नॉन इम्प्लायबल. देन सेकंड वन हाई परमिटिविटी. देन थर्ड वन हाई डाइलेक्ट्रिक. तो हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? और क्वेश्चन क्या है? विच अमंग दिस मेन रिक्वायरमेंट फॉर द इंसुलेटिंग मटेरियल? तो इंसुलेटिंग मटेरियल्स का मेन रिक्वायरमेंट होना चाहिए कौन सा? हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर बी, दैट मीन फर्स्ट वन नॉन इम्प्लायबल. एंड दूसरी रिक्वायरमेंट क्या रहती है इंसुलेटिंग मटेरियल की? हाई डाइलेक्ट्रिक करंट. तो हमारा आंसर आएगा ऑप्शन नंबर बी. Now question number 8. The leakage current must not be more than blank of the maximum supply current. हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? 1 divided by 5000. ऑप्शन नंबर सी. Question number 9. Branch circuit must not fade for more than blank point. हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? ऑप्शन नंबर सी. Now question number 10. Which among the following information is required for good estimation? So इधर हमें दिया हुआ है availability of the product. Then second one दिया है source of the production, vendor selection. Third one क्या है? New products and their qualities. And fourth one क्या है? Prices and discount provided for each product. So over here our answer is option number C. First, second, third, and fourth. Now question number 11. Which among the following device is connected to provide protection against phase tube earth insulation failure? तो हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? ऑप्शन नंबर डी, ऑल ऑफ दिस. दैट मीन्स ऑप्शन नंबर ए, बी एंड सी. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. व्हाट इज डाइलेक्ट्रिक एब्जॉर्प्शन रेशियो? तो हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? ऑप्शन नंबर बी. Now question number 13. Which among these tests are performed periodically? Okay, तो periodically जो टेस्ट होते हैं तो वो हमारा क्या है? मेंटेनेंस टेस्ट. ऑप्शन नंबर बी. Now question number 14. Which among these gases is not used as a coolant? हमारा कौन सा यूज नहीं होगा कूलेंट से? तो हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? ऑप्शन नंबर डी, हेलियम. Question number 15. Which enclosures are preferred for preventing entry of following water or dirt? हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? ऑप्शन नंबर बी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. What does IC01 describe? तो हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? ऑप्शन नंबर ए, सेल्फ कोल्ड ओपन मशीन फैन माउंटेड ऑन द shaft. Question number 7. Which is the maximum permissible voltage drop that can be sustained while spinning an electrical rotating machine? हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? ऑप्शन नंबर ए 20% of the rated voltage. Question number 18. On what factor is rated voltage selected for an induction motor? हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? On which factor? हमारा आंसर आएगा ऑप्शन नंबर ए, बी एंड सी. That means motor rating, starting current, and fault level of supply. That means all of the above answer. Question number 9. On what factor does the size of induction motor depend? So the size of the induction motor is depend on power output and speed of rotation. That means option number D. Now 20 number. On what factor of bearing does the heavy power electrical machine rotate? हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? ऑप्शन नंबर बी, लीव bearing. 21 number. Which among these is commissioning check during site testing for an induction motor? Answer is insulation resistance, option number A. Now 22 number. What is the main cause of harmful vibrations in the machine? हमारा इधर आंसर क्या आएगा? ऑप्शन नंबर डी, all of the above. That means A, B and C. Question number 23. What are the function of sealing device used along with bearing? तो हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? ऑप्शन नंबर ए एंड बी. दैट मीन्स बोथ ऑफ आंसर. ऑप्शन नंबर सी, बोथ ए एंड बी. दैट मीन्स to prevent the leakage of oil from the bearing housing, and second one to prevent dust, water, dirt, etc. from entering the bearing housing. That is A and B both. Now question number 24. Which type of rotor is designed for synchronous motor rating up to 5 kilowatt? हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? up to the 5 kilowatt. Option number A, squirrel cage rotor. Now question number 25. Which type of enclosure is provided for DC motor used in coal handling plants? The answer is for the coal handling plants. Answer क्या आएगा? Totally closed fan cooled. Option number. Now 26. Which among these is the application of universal motor? So universal motor की applications कौन सी है? Number A, vacuum cleaner. Question number 27. What parameters are checked using the commissioning test? So for the commissioning test, you must have to check the turbine speed, condenser vacuum, and turbine governor valve opening. That means all of the C1, A, B, and C. Question number 28. Which among these tests are included in high voltage test? So in the high voltage test, हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? All of these. That means option number A, number B, as well as option number C. Now question number 29. Which test is conducted to confirm the withstand capability of insulation? हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? All of the above. That means A, B, as well as C also. Now question number 30. What is the value of no load current at normal voltage? Okay, so answer क्या आएगा? Option number A, I0 is between the 0.5, 0.2 and 0.5 pu. That means per unit of full load current. Option number A. Question number 31. What data is provided from the no load test on induction motor? The answer is क्या आएगा हमारा? A, B and C. That means pole loss only. Second one, magnetizing current, and third one, no load power factor. That means over here our answer is all of the given. Important question. Question number 30. What is the cause for mechanical overloads in induction motor? The answer is option number A, trolley. Now question number 33. Which sequence is followed first while closing a circuit breaker? Okay, our answer is option number B, open earthing switch. Now question number 34. What test is performed to verify that the equipment is ready for energizing? तो हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? Commissioning test, option number B. Question number 35. Which material has a low dielectric strength at 50 Hz? तो हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? Option number D. Question number 36. At what temperature is the drying out the procedure carrying out in a DC motor? The answer is option number B, 100 degrees Celsius. Question number 37. Which among these is common defect in a commutator? The answer is all of the above. That means A, D and C. Question number 38. How many sets of orthogonal accelerometer are fixed on each bearing for performing vibration test on induction motor? So how many sets which are required? Answer is 3. Question number 39. Which factor is controlled by turbine and governor? So which factor is controlled by turbine and governor? Our answer is frequency, option number B. Now 40. Which among these is a type test? The answer is all of the given. That means A, B and C also. Question number 41. Which among these tests is a DC test? Our answer is option number A. Now 42 number. Which among these is a type of surge arrestor? So my answer is both. That means A and B. A, that means this one and this one. A and B, which are the type of surge arrestor. Now question number 43. Which material is used for indoor bus bar? For the indoor bus bar, we have to use copper. Now question number 44. What type of insulation is preferred for DC smoothing reactor? So our answer is oil, option number D. Which device is connected in series? Our answer is smoothing reactors, option number B. Now question number 46. Which among these devices are used to protect low voltage induction motor? So our answer is all of above. That means thermal overload relay, capacitor and contactor starter. So A, B, C, which are the answers. Now question number 47. At what pressure is the aseptic gas filled in the whole installation of GIS substation? GIS, that means gas insulated substation. So our answer is 5 kg per centimeter square. Now question number 48. What are the main causes for the noise in the machine? So option is our answer is all of these. That means option number A, number B as well as option number C also. Now 49 number. What test is conducted on the synchronous motor before completely assembling the whole machine? So our answer is bearing insulation. That means option number B. Now question number 50. Which among these is the causes of sparking at brushes in DC motor? So our answer is what are the causes for the sparking at the brushes in DC motor? So our answer is option number A, B and C also. That means all of these. That means defective brushes, defect in commutator and excessive flow.